Actually, Numaira, I'm very curious about how does English help in using the internet?
Well, as you know, that there are a lot of things we can find in the internet, like movies, cartoons, book, and we can also read books online. So online courses are also in English. Social media also uses English quite a lot, and English makes movies more enjoyable, and we can also improve our listening skills through it. So that's how it's important for using the internet better.
Oh, that's a really cool answer. So, I want to ask you a question that do you like watching movies and cartoons?
Oh, yes, who doesn't like watching movies and cartoons? I really love it.
And what about reading books?
Oh, yes, I really like it as well.
Okay, so let's go forward to the next question. So, I want to ask you that how does English build confidence?
Well, and we can speak English in front of others. So that time we feel really confident on ourselves. And also, it makes us really, it removes the fear of speaking in front of others.
Yeah.
English makes our communication more easy and clear. But in natural words, confidence grows with practice.
Yeah, when we know English, we don't need confidence. We have confidence in our blood.